Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be giving you guys a 15-minute low budget makeup, and guess what, I'm using classic product all through. Enjoy. Hello, first thing you do is to clean your face with a baby wipe or a makeup remover. That's my makeup mirror. I got full eyebrows, but not to worry. The next thing we're doing is to moisturize. So the next thing we're doing right now is to prime the face. I'm using a face primer from Classic, and guess what is rating on it? It's rating longest wearing antioxidant. Let's see. Foundation time, and I'm using this HD foundation from Classic. Well, it's my first time using Classic foundation. I'll leave details of all products used in this video below so you can check them out. All Classic products. I'm using Classic compact powder. It is my first time using their foundation, but guess what, I've been using Classic powder for a very long time and it's good. It's actually my everyday go-to powder. This is Classic eyebrow pencil, but I'm not using it because I'm actually keeping my eyebrows full for a purpose. You guys will get to know that in another video. I'm not spilling the secret now. This is the Classic face definer, and it comes in 3 shades. That's the highlighter, that's the contour, the bronzer. Right now I'm applying the highlighter on areas I want to highlight, and those are on the eye, the forehead, the T-zone, the jaw area. Now I'm contouring the hollow of my cheeks, and after that I'm going to contour my hairlines. Contouring my jawline and also contouring my nose bridge. From the Face Definer palette, all from Classic. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want to see how I got this bun, the secret, please check my previous video for the secret of my bun. This is my easy glam 15 minutes low budget makeup. You can take it everywhere, every day, to school, to work. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.